how to scan for Malicious apps with Google Play Protect on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So after click on security and privacy, click on app security. So after click on app security, you will see second option is Google Play Protect. So after click on Google Play Protect, so you will see, so if you want to scan for malicious app with Google Play Protect, so you will see click on here in Google Play Protect and scan is here. So if you want to scan, so click on scan. So you will see after scanning, after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can scan for malicious apps with Google Play Protect on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.